What is up, guys? Welcome back to Solo MC Rider. Actually, this is the last day with this bike. I'm selling it and I'm just going to go ahead and drop this off to the proud owner. It's been with me for almost 3 years and it's time for it to go for something new about to come. So stay tuned. Let's start it up. Good old MT sounds amazing. 2021 Yamaha MT-07 has only about 1500 miles on it. Don't ride it as much because of my other bike, so it's going to a good hands. One of my best friend and has his MSF course complete, and he decided to go with this bike as his first bike. Let's go deliver the bike to the new proud owner. The day is overcast. Hope I can make it there without rain. So alright, so I have about 52 minutes ride. So my friend just got his MSF course completed, and he decided that he wants to buy this bike because he doesn't want to get a smaller bike than this and get bored off of it real quick. So he wanted something a little bit more powerful, can stay with him for a little bit longer. And I know MT-07, it's a pretty torquey bike and it's pretty good bike for beginners too, and I will definitely, say that it's okay for someone to get a MT-07 for a first bike or beginner bike. So it's okay. I will make video on this beginner bike series probably next video or so, because I have a new bike on the way, and that also falls into a category that is a beginner bike. So I should be making a lot more bikes on the beginner bikes category. So I'm not gonna say much on this today. I'm feeling a little sad that it's going away, but I'm gonna go ahead and ride it to his house and deliver it to him, and maybe I'll ask him a few questions. So yeah, so I'm getting on the tollway. I have about 40 minutes ride. 50 minutes ride. So I'll see you guys back. The torquey bike. I was on the fourth gear. I'm here. Look at the proud owner is jumping with joy.
There it is.
Oh man, what's up? I made it. All right.
Hey,
how's it going?
I was worried for a second.
So how do you feel?
Man, hey, excited.
Uh-huh.
Hey, ready to explore and
yeah?
learn. I think it's about learning more.
Right.
Several nights of dreaming about this bike, riding it. Oh yeah.
And you're gonna start your YouTube channel too, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
I don't have a name yet. I'm gonna plug it in.
Okay, we'll put the description.
But it's coming soon. It's coming soon.
First bike, first yeah.
Hey, Solo MC Rider made it happen. That's it right there.
I'm happy for you that it's not going anywhere far.
Oh
Yeah. Remember, go easy. There you go. You got this. How do you feel?
Amazing.
Amazing. That's the best part.
Took me a
man.
little
Smile.
adjusting, but
Yeah.
man.
Of course, it's gonna take a lot of practice, but you know, practice
Yeah.
makes you perfect. So
It's the finding that friction zone,
Right.
then going from there.
very good.
The
Yeah.
balance between the clutch and the throttle, the switching, shifting
Yeah.
up or down.
Yeah.
Then-
You gotta keep practicing. That's it.
yeah,
Find a
but,
nice.
But it felt nice, especially whenever I'm making a turn on the side.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Now you take care of your bike, and then we'll go from there. So thank you guys for watching. Just
That's the head over.
wait to see a new bike coming for me. Yeah.
Next.
Next.